Hello everybody. Today we study about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. So before we study together, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, continue. The past continuous tense, also known as the past progressive tense. Yes, the same. The name of past progressive and past continuous is the same name. Refer to a continuous or continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past. Yes, so past continuous tense happened in the past, but happened, but was happened, yes, or was happened at some point in the past. The past continuous tense is formed by combining the past tense of to be, example, was, were, with the verbs present participle ing word. Okay, what is past continuous tense? An example. So past continuous tense can be formed in following way: subject plus be form was or were plus ing form of verb. For example, my brother was cooking dinner yesterday. Why we use was? We not use were because the subject my brother replace of he. Here the subject is my brother, which is used with the be form was and with the ing form of the verb cooking. Okay, was were past continuous tense examples. Example of past continuous tense: I was writing or I was writing articles on different topics. He was reading various kinds of books. They were playing football in the field. She was drinking coffee in that coffee shop. He was studying in the library. He was shopping in this market last week. How do you use past continuous? The past continuous tense express actions at a particular moment in the past. The action started before that moment but has not finished at that moment. For example, yesterday I watched a film on TV. The film started at 7 p.m. and finished at 9 p.m. How can I learn past continuous tense? How to form the past continuous? We form the past continuous by using the simple past form of the verb to be, was, or were, and the main verb in the ing form. For example, you were reading a book. This is the example of past continuous tense. Aten sentences past continuous. They were drinking coffee when I arrived. I was watching football match on TV when he called. The earthquake, the earthquake was scaring all of us. What is the example of past perfect continuous? What is example? Okay, go more website. Yes, past continuous. The past continuous tense is an important tense. In English, we use it to say what we were in the middle of, doing at a particular moment in the past. In this lesson, we look at the structure and the use of the past continuous tense, followed by a quiz to check your understanding. Note that continuous tense are also called progressive tenses. So the past continuous tense is sometimes called the past progressive tense. How do we make the past continuous tense? The structure of past continuous tense is subject plus auxiliary verb be conjugated in past simple was or were plus main verb present participle. The auxiliary verb be is conjugated in the past simple was were. The main verb is invariable in present participle form ing. For negative sentences, we insert not between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example sentences, we change the subject and the auxiliary verb. Look at these example sentences with the past continuous tense. Subject, auxiliary verb, and main verb. I was watching TV. You were working hard. He or she or it was not having married. We were not joking. Were you being silly? Were they playing football? The spelling rule at spelling rule for add ing to make the past continuous tense are the same as for the present continuous tense. Many of these listen exercises have transcripts, vocabulary notes, and comprehensive questions. So that we use the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense express action at a particular moment in the past. The action started before that moment but has not finished at that moment. For example, yesterday I I watched a film on TV, and the film started at 7 p.m. and finished at 9 p.m. The same example before. When we use the past continuous tense, our listener usually know or understand what time we are talking about. Look at this example. I am work at 10 p.m. last night. They were not playing football at 9 a.m. this morning. What were you doing at 10 p.m. last night? What were you doing when he arrived? What was cooking when I telephoned her? We were having dinner when it started to rain. Ram went home early because it was snowing. Note that some verbs cannot be used in continuous or progressive tenses. We often use the past continuous tense to set the screen in stories. We use it to describe the background situation at the moment when the action being often the story starts with the past continuous tense and then move into the participle tense. Here's an example. James Bond was driving through town. It was raining. The wind was blowing hard. Nobody was walking in the streets. Suddenly, Bond saw the killer in a phone box. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Thank you. Good luck.